Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from mindfulmarketplace.com, and today I am going to talk a little bit about our brand new publishing process and platform. It's called Collect, Connect, and Convert, and if you are on my email list, you got a notification about this on Friday. I'm recording this on Monday, the 3rd, I believe it is, August 3rd today, and I'm just going to cover some of the questions that have come in over the weekend about this program, about this process, and about this platform, as well as invite anyone who is listening to this on YouTube, if you're not part of our community, to sign up below for free. There's a link to a brand new membership site that will give you access to this entire process, and you can do it on your own rather than working with us as a business or an agency to help you build this process yourself. So, before I get too into the weeds with this, I'm just going to tell you the biggest question that came up in my community over the weekend, our Mindful Marketplace community, is whether or not this is a course or a mastermind or some sort of community, or it's a service. And the truth is, our Collect, Connect, and Convert platform is a done with you style service. So there are, many problems, as most folks know, with the online kind of course space, online learning space, and certainly with the online guru style model of helping people build a brand or a business. It just doesn't work, right? And most folks drop the ball, not because they don't have the knowledge or the passion or the sense of purpose for what it is that they're doing, but because there are deficiencies or holes or gaps in the actual information that's available to help them really tie and tether all this stuff together in a way that works. So I can tell you from my own personal experience teaching many courses online in the last couple of years, one of the real kind of ironic, glaring, and I shouldn't even admit this in public, but I will. One of the real obvious sort of errors in this process is people don't finish courses, even the courses that I'm teaching, which I think are often really, really valuable with lots of great, unique, and hopefully inspiring information. But I get all these great reviews and feedback and people who are really enjoying this course or content and telling other people, they're really enjoying it. And I can see in my online learning management software analytics that they're not even finishing the courses, right? So they're getting 38% done and then just not coming back, or they're signing up and skipping from one module to the next, going from module 1 to module 8 to module 4. I can see all this. So it's just really ironic that even people who really seem to be getting, or at least are stating that they're getting these incredible benefits from these courses, aren't actually consuming the content. So to eradicate that problem, what we decided as a small team about 8 months ago or so was to create a done for you style service where we actually get on the phone and work with people who have a lot of passion, a lot of sense of purpose and pride for a given niche, market, industry, topic, movement, cause, community, whatever it may be, and actually do everything not just for them, but with them, right? So, no longer are you following some sort of course outline or, lessons or PDFs. We're actually working with you in an interactive and immersive way to help you transform your brand. So the process is, and again, there's a lot more that I will be saying about this in the days, weeks, and months to come. This is the primary thing we're focused on going forward as a community. And, there will be a lot that I will be teaching on this that I'm probably going to do in a free way, so that anybody who is not able to work with us directly as a team, and I understand that cost is going to prevent that from being possible for many people, but you'll be able to emulate this approach for yourself. So there are 3 phases to collect, connect, and convert, which I'm sure you can guess already what they are. They are collect, and this is the first step. And it begins with a deep dive, author, entrepreneurial extraction process, where essentially our whole goal here is to unpack insights, uncover epiphanies, and mine these eureka moments from your own experience and expertise. We do keyword research at this phase, where we're actually identifying your ideal audience and what they truly need to succeed by dint of what you'll be offering them, in your community, in your courses, in your coaching, in your content, in your products, programs, whatever it is that you're offering. We'll be using the absolute quintessential keyword tools and technology that really are super expensive, that we have access to, that most folks can't or don't, right? So we're bringing that right away to bear in your brand and business, giving you access to tools that are going to transform the collect phase, process map, right? So we're going to be getting all of this really deep dive data that most folks will never have access or the opportunity or even the knowledge that they can, right? So we're going to be learning about you, your goals, your objectives, what obstacles have faced you in the past, and what the inspired ideas that you have about your own brand and business that you want to achieve in the world, right? The next phase, and there's a lot more to this. I can't cover it all in in an audio like this, but that is the 30,000 foot view. The next phase we're calling connect. And at its core, this phase is all about converting your entrepreneurial insights, experiences, and expertise into very specific audience outcomes. And this is super important. Like, everything that we're doing is not just about you and your business and your ideas and your platform. It's about your audience and their outcomes, because ultimately that's what matters most. You can't really build your brand, build your business, and transform the world unless you are focused on outcomes for an audience, right? So we create what we call a Content Cornerstone, which is this master outline. It's the firm foundation of your brand and business. We're taking all of those insights that we got from the collect phase, and now we're concretizing them into this master document, which again is called a Content Cornerstone, and it's this growing, flowing, always evolving outline of all of your niche knowledge in one place. This is without a doubt the single most important thing that anyone can do to grow a coaching, product centric, sales centric online business. It's this master Content Cornerstone document that, again, it's not static. It grows and it flows and it evolves and it changes as you, as a teacher as well as a student, which we all are in our respective, areas of expertise and niches and markets, etc. As you learn more, experience more, and have more to offer your audience, this Content Cornerstone continues to grow and flow. You can build and bold and bolt and just add all these extra layers and dimensions and depth and detail. And it really is, again, the single most important thing that any of us can do. And I'm going to be doing some demonstrations on how to do this in our community. So if you are not able to work with us, you can do this for yourself. Essentially, this whole connect phase is about building the bridge, right, between your words and your work. We're connecting your collect phase insights and information and each element of your Content Cornerstone into products and programs, coaching and courses that create rock star results for your clients and community. The idea here is to position you, if you've ever, I'm not going to get too far afield, so I'll leave what I was about to say out for the moment, but Essentially, we're just looking to position you as the go-to guru or industry expert that is able legitimately to offer your audience a superhero transformation every time they interact with your words and your work in the world. All right, and the final phase, I wanted to keep this under 10 minutes. I'm already pushing that limit now, but obviously the convert phase is really super duper important, right? So this is the execution phase. This is the part of this process where we take all of these ethereal ideas that we just covered above and we actually turn them into real assets in the world, right? So we build out your blog, your brand, and your business, your books, your content, your courses, your affiliate programs, landing pages, ads, offers, membership sites, newsletter, everything that you actually need to succeed to convert your content into a community and your community into clients and cash flow, right? And this includes all these paid premium services like a membership site that we build on something like Ghost, right? You can see examples of what we're doing right now. If you look at our community.mindfulmarketplace.com subdomain, you can see the sorts of sites that we're building. This one is an example for us. But we're building landing pages for book launches. We're brainstorming ads and offers for social media, for Facebook, all the different things, setting up your affiliate program, creating your pixels so that you can track your conversions and you can do retargeting, all these different elements that most people can't learn in an online course format, but interactively, when you're working with somebody, right, in this case us, you will not be left alone for any of this process, right? So the things that don't go well, as always, there will be things that won't go well. We optimize and improve those, tweak and critique, and just continue to work together in an immersive and experiential way to increase and improve and layer and add and just continue to get better at this whole process for you, for us as a team, and for your audience as well. Okay, so that is the fundamental kind of 30,000 foot perspective on our Collect, Connect, and Convert platform. Again, I'm going to have free content available where you can download and see many of these walkthroughs and workflows for yourself. And that may sound, contradictory to much of what I just said. If there's, if I'm telling you that courses and content that, generally don't help people succeed, and I firmly believe that. But I also understand that from a price point standpoint, most folks who are listening to this are not going to be in a position right now to work with us, in this 12-month immersive experience kind of workshop-y way, weekly on the phone, all sorts of support. This is a real time and labor intensive offer that includes a lot of resources on our side, a lot of expenses on our side. So it's not going to be, in the ballpark for most people listening to this. But I do want everyone else to have access to much of the same process map. I do believe that this is transformative and completely game-changing, paradigm-busting, really disruptively easy strategies, for those of you who are really stuck, building a business using online commerce or, products, programs, coaching, that sort of thing, right? This is not really for those of you who are building directories or marketplaces or those sorts of things. I know that many folks who are listening to this are doing those things. This is not really for that audience, right? This is for teachers and coaches and authors and, anyone who has this inspired, passion, purposeful message they want to share with the world that they really love to communicate using content, right? There was something else I was just about to say that I completely forgot. So I guess I'm just going to skip it until next time. All right. So if you have any questions about our platform and our process, I will be happy to jump on the phone with anyone who has a legitimate interest in this offer. I would ask that you send us an email, hi@mindfulmarketplace.com. If you're in our community already, feel free just to leave me a note within the administration area. You all have comments and you messaging available to you. You can take advantage of that, and I will get back to anybody who is interested. The price points will all be listed within the community as well, so there should be no mystery there to I'm not saying that publicly because it's not really everyone's business unless you are part of our community already. Okie doke. I hope this has been helpful. Oh, last thing is we also have an affiliate program. This probably is going to, something that I should have said much earlier, but we have an affiliate program as well. So if you're interested as an affiliate to promote, this collect, connect, and convert platform to your audience, if you're authors in your community, or teachers, or entrepreneurs who want to sell content online, and really want this, immersive hand-holding, done-with-you experience, you can sign up for our affiliate program. It's really, really lucrative and fair and ethical, transparent, honest, and quite high-paying affiliate offers that can earn anywhere from $1,000 plus up to $4,000 per referral, contingent on the program that your clients sign up for. So I encourage you, if you're interested in that, to make money as an affiliate, feel free to sign up for our affiliate program, which is also in the community at the link below. Okay, thanks so much for listening. Again, Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and have a wonderful day. Thanks.